Yeah, how are you gonna
I don't know. We can't actually all feel the same thing. My bad.
Yeah, you can feel it because you can always sterilize your fingers afterwards.
Afterwards, yeah, not before, after.
After.
So this is Silvetia, right? Sorry, this is Codium right here. Codium. This is called Codium for chili. This is a species of Codium we call dead man's fingers. There's a couple of different species of Codium that we might be able to see in this class. This one is very spongy-like. This one's a cool thing that it's not truly one cell, but it is completely continuous cytoplasmic streaming throughout. It's made up of a bunch of filaments all intertwined that you can trace all throughout from one area to the next. It's something we'll learn a term called cenocytic later, but this is something that we often will just call one big cell. And this is the one that if you're a cell and you're going through reproduction, how do you as a two-end individual go through meiosis in one part of a cell and not another? You can't. So this thing actually walls off small little areas on the tips of its filaments called utricules, where then it creates these little areas for meiosis. But this one, I want you to also look at this, and if this is made up of filaments all throughout, just all intertwined filaments, yet it looks like a big kind of, I'm not even going to use that other term. What's the term for a bunch of filaments intertwined that makes up the big thallus? Pseudo something. Pseudoparenchymatous. Very nice. Which is going to be different than something like this, which is parenchymatous. But that open look inside, it's not filaments, it's cells that are dividing, right? And so when we get back to the greens and reds and we look inside these things, you'll get to see the structure of these. Okay.